Imagine being told that education is your passport to a better life. For decades, millions of young Indians have believed in this promise. But today, a harsh reality tells a different story. Welcome to Let's Get a Real Insight, examining flaws in India's education system and its link to unemployment. Look at these scenes from Delhi last year. Thousands of qualified graduates protesting on streets. India produces millions of graduates every year, yet 80% of them remain unemployable. The story of Rajesh from Bihar went viral last year. An engineering graduate forced to sell vegetables on street to support his family.
An IIM graduate has opted to take up farming as his chosen career. Kaushalendra, a topper from IIM Ahmedabad and hailing from Bihar, has gone back to his native village to sell vegetables.
The story isn't unique. It's a reflection of our system's failure. In Tamil Nadu alone, over 50 engineering colleges shut down in 2023 due to zero admissions. The dreams are crumbling and our youth are paying the price for it. Look at this classroom. Students memorizing formulas they'll never use. Now, look at this modern workplace. It demands creativity, problem solving, and adaptability. The World Bank's 2023 report highlighted this gap as the crisis of learning.
Financing constraint in education at the moment. So education budgets are declining in real terms, yet the number of learners entering the system are increasing.
When a top IT company states that only 2 out of 10 engineering graduates are employable, we need to ask ourselves, what are we really teaching? The numbers are staggering. India's unemployment rate hit 8.1% in February 2024, highest in the 16 months. Behind these numbers are real stories, like the viral video of a PhD holder working as a street vendor in Lucknow.
I'm doing my studies also. Now I'm doing my PhD.
Wow, at the same time?
Yeah.
Wow, what are you studying?
Biotechnology, PhD in biotechnology.
Wow.
Google my name in Chrome, you will find my...
Your shop?
No, not shop, my research articles.
Oh, okay, wow.
Or an IT graduate driving an auto rickshaw in Mumbai.
एक मोटिवेशन की तरफ से मतलब देख रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे लोगों को मोटिवेट करना था कि एक नौकरी ना मिलने की वजह से आप सिर्फ जो हताश होकर बैठे हो, तो नौकरी सब कुछ नहीं है। ये मुझे लोगों तक मैसेज पहुंचाना था कि हम लोग नौकरी के बाद हम लोग खुद का छोटा मोटा बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं। तो बस यही बात मुझे लोगों तक पहुंचानी थी, जो आज आए दिन लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट करते रहते कि मेरे पास जॉब नहीं है, 2 साल हुआ, 1 साल हुआ। सो फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन के बारे में भी वो बता रहे थे कि मतलब जॉब की वजह से मेरे फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन खराब होती जा रही है।
These aren't isolated incidents. These are symptoms of a deeper problem. Building on such successes, the Union Budget of 2025-26 have introduced 5 national centers of excellence for skilling, developed with global experts to equip our youth with industry-relevant skills. When education meets industry needs, success follows. India's youth deserves better than just promises. It deserves real opportunities. The solution isn't just more degrees, it's more relevant education. As you watch this video, thousands of bright young minds are stuck in a system that needs to change. What are your thoughts? What changes would you like to see in our education system? Comment below.